US crude, as I asked earlier last week, that yes, if you see it trading above 95, one can go long. It is precisely achieved the targets at 101 and still gave the lower highs. However, towards the end of the week, we can see it completely reversing the gains and it has erased the complete gains, closed above 94, which is a very strong support level. So yes, it is still trying to sustain the support levels at 94. Be cautious, it can still continue to trade sideways in between this 94 to 100 levels. If it breaks below 94, definitely it will bring more bearishness into the US crude session and we can expect it to further drop on the downside towards 92.90 and below that is also possible. So we will see in detail what is can be expected out of next week, which position we should take, what could be our strategy to make profit next week. We will see in detail, first with the charts, followed with indicators, and in the end I'll give you the details. So do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Those who are new, let me share that I provide my daily and weekly analysis on US crude with the Asia session. So do watch it along with other markets and commodities including natural gas, gold, silver, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE, Germany, and forex and crypto including Bitcoin and USD, JPY, Euro, USD, GBP, USD as well. So do watch those analysis as well. Now this is the daily charts on US crude. You can see this is the steep channel in which it is trading, and the highs of this channel are precisely done. Now it is further looking downwards. Where are the lows? I told you earlier also that it is looking forward to, if it continues to drop below 94, we can expect the first support at 92, then 90, then 86, and then in fact see 86 levels now are going to be important if it continues to drop on the downside. And remember, I told several times that $80 is my target in the near term. So we are very near to that. Let's have a more detailed look in what can be expected. See, why did I say $80 levels? Now this is the zone from where the rally started, and since then it is trying to consolidate. It is again come back to the $90 levels, and below that this is the zone which I will be looking forward to, which it may try to achieve once before it looks forward to retracement. So be watchful of $90. If it continues to trade below 90, we can expect further more bearishness towards this zone at 85 and then $80. Now this is what we can see here on the daily charts. Let's have a more detailed look on the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, look at this 94 levels, 94 levels, 94 levels. So 94 is now the strong support zone which we'll be looking forward to next week. If you see it trading below 94, probably it may bring more bearishness, and then one can expect 92, 90, and then it may drop sharply, and then we can see it sliding till towards 85 levels also. But see why I'm saying so, it is still bearish. Lower highs is something which I'll be looking forward to, and here at this zone, so somewhere 92 should provide a support, and on the upside definitely if it sustains above 94, if it sustains above 94, one can expect it to come back till towards 97.5, and then $100 level should come into picture. Right now, remember, till the time it sustains above 94, we are not going to consider this as a bearish move. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, you can find it has achieved this level. This level was the long-term support. This level was the long-term target when I told at this levels itself at 110 that it is going to hit 90 levels. And now I am telling you that if it sustains above 90, then we have to wait till towards 84 and 83 zone. It can try to achieve this before looking forward to any further retracement on the upside. So be watchful there. And right now if you look at the weekly charts, on the weekly charts, see lower highs is what we can see. At the same time flat bottom, and the candle closed in a doji, and hence yes, if you see it trading above 95.2, again go long, and then one can expect $100 level. So yes, 100 should be the level which you should be watchful of next week. If it breaks beyond 100, then one can definitely remain long, and I see still it trading between 94 to 100, or else at max 92 to 100 levels. So this is what we can see here on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the monthly candle also. On the monthly candle, now if you see these two candles on the monthly charts, you can find lower highs, lower lows. Also look at this wick size, $8. Look at the body size, $9. And if you consider this move from here, the levels at on the downside $8 is it is from 88, and the body size from here at 105 levels. So almost from 105, if you consider a $9 body size, it means it makes to $96, and hence probably it may try to create a symmetry and then reverse. So probably be watchful. On the upside, it may still get the resistance there. Now if it continues to rise, even if it continues to rise, you may find that it is going to get some resistance at around $100 levels and 102, and then it is going to retrace back again on the downside till towards 96 levels. So I'll be looking forward to, even if it tries to rise, it may close the monthly candle at 96 levels. Be watchful, be careful. Wherever you see it on the downside or on the upside, it is going to close at the monthly candle at $96 levels. So be watchful. Yes, on the downside, as I said, 94 level should provide a support, and further down 92 may provide a support, and on the upside, yes, 98 and $100 levels. So in between 92 to 100, we have to be cautious for this $8. It can show you a swing move again. Now this is on the candlestick charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators here. Now before we give the indicators on the monthly charts, let's have a look on the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, you will find if it continues to trade above 95.2 next week, it may find a stronger or larger resistance in between this zone, that is 96 to 98. Precisely at around 97 levels, the first resistance exists, then 97.5, which is a stronger resistance, and then at 98 levels. It may get a very strong resistance at around these levels, but yes, if you have to cherish the move out there, you can take a long entry at 95.2, expect it to go till towards 97 and then 97.5, in fact 98 levels also on the upside, and then from there a retracement can be expected. At the same time, see, it is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and hence it can try to pull back again a little on the upside. Yes, breaking below 94, you can expect that we may see it getting strong support at around 92 levels, and below that it is going to crash more. This is on the 4-hour charts, and yes, let's also have a look at the further more indicators. Directional movement is bearish on the 4-hour charts. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is wide, divergent and bearish here on the 4-hour charts, and RSI is comfortable. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, see here, this is the zone at $100 now is going to be of importance. Only if it sustains above $100 any point of time next week or next to next week, you can expect more bullishness, else oil may continue to fall. We can see third month or third straight red candle on the monthly chart. That is also very much possible. So be watchful of $100 levels next month, and in fact this week also. And yes, any move beyond $100 level should bring more bulls to the market. Directional movement is bearish on the daily charts. Stochastic was overbought, looking downwards. MACD is in green but trading flat without any divergence, is indicating the bulls are not there very much in taking the charge out there. RSI is also looking downwards on the daily charts. And if you look at the weekly charts out there, on the weekly charts you will find this is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. It tried to breach this band once, but again pushed back or pulled back again on the upside. If it continues to trade below 90, if you see this, so if next week if you see it trading below 94, you can go short for 93 and then 91.1, and then below that we may see it going till towards 89.5 levels. 89.5 should provide a very strong support. If it continues to trade below, then 88 can also be seen. Above this, probably we may see a resistance at $100 level. So in between 94 to 100, it can show you a little swing. We may see a moderate or you can say conservative movement next week. Directional movement is bearish on the weekly charts. The stochastic is at bottom. The MACD is wide and divergent and bearish here. And if you look at the RSI, this is trading flat on the weekly charts. And if you look at the monthly charts, on the monthly charts, the next, if you look at this, the next support zone is here at around 80-82 zone. We may see it hitting once, if not this month, then probably next month it may try to come back till towards $80 levels before looking forward to a retracement on the upside. Directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge. If you see the stochastic, this is looking downwards on the monthly charts, and on the MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a sell. Right now it is bullish. The stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators, and now is the time to decide the strategy for next week. So let me give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. And before I give you the levels, yes, if you Want to learn the same expertise and the art of reading markets and the art of trading profitably? You can join my mentorship batch. The 15th batch is starting soon. The announcement will be given in my Telegram channel. You can join that channel. There's a free channel. And yes, you can reach out to me via email or Telegram IDs. Both are mentioned in the channel and video description. Yes, this is a 15 days session, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime support is what you get through this mentorship session. And definitely the strategies taught will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. Also, if you want to just trade as per the signals, you can join my VIP signals group. Also, reach out to me for more details. Now, next week, if you see it trading above 95.2, remember 96.2 is the next target, and then 97 levels. See 97, 97.5 and 98. These two levels, this zone is going to be important for crude oil. Probably it may get a little resistance there, trading above which the $100 levels are going to be the strongest resistance for next week. Trading above $100 levels, it is going to be bullish. Then I will look forward to 101 and 102.5. In fact, 104 levels can be seen. Even if it tries to rise till there, it may drop towards the end of the week. So you have to exercise caution while taking a long position. My expectation for the week, for the monthly closer, for towards the end of the week, that is on Friday, we may see it coming back again till towards 96 levels wherever it goes. On the downside, yes, if you see it trading below 94, go short there. Below 94 you can expect 93.18 and then 92 levels. 92 is going to be a very strong support. Below that you can directly expect 90.4 and then 89.5. If it breaks beyond, we can expect a further drop till 88. However, I look forward for it to get some strong support at this zone at 92 and the resistance at 98 or $100 levels. We may see it swinging either ways in between 92 to 100, even if it breaks, but rather the larger zone could be 94 to 100, which is a $6 move, which is a very conservative move for oil, and we may see it trading in a conservative range only. So trade accordingly. And yes, when you know that it is going to be a swingful week, we have to trade with always with a stop loss and keep shifting your stop loss to cost. For example, you have entered a short entry at 94, it achieved 93.18, you think there could be a further drop, shift your stop loss immediately to these levels and then wait for it to continue to drop. Else this will help you preserving your profits at least this much. And yes, little profits are definitely you know, you wait for a one big profit, or you can make 10 smaller profits, one and the same thing. Only thing is, with the one big profit there is a chance for it to reverse and never come back to your position, and then you will be trading in losses. For smaller profits, you have always booked it, so you can slowly and steadily increase your wealth. So trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a strict trailing stop loss. So trade accordingly. Join my mentorship batch, join my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.